Alright guys, so this video is going to be me showing you guys a package I got from Annabelle here on AliExpress. So the package came in this FedEx bag right here. I almost said box. And you guys, I got some amazing goodies. So I got a closure. Let me see if I can tell you the inch. This closure is 18 inches in length. And I got 4 bundles of hair. Let me just, you see Jonathan is grabbing everything. I got 220. I got a 22. Got a 20. And I also got another 22 and also another 20 inch, right? And this is little card I got with it. It says Annabelle Hair, beautiful source, Annabelle Hair, aliexpress.com/store 1752390. So this is the card and this is the back of the card. And I also got one other thing. Jonathan, no, I got this beauty sponge, which, oh my goodness, you guys know I love my beauty blender, and I still think the beauty blender is softer than this, but this is very soft and it's resilient. It doesn't feel as flimsy as the Real Techniques one. This has really surprised me, because when I say I like, you know, anything that's claiming to be the beauty blender, to me I hold the beauty blender as high standard. I hold, like, that is the queen of beauty sponges. That's queen right there. But when I had gotten this, I was like, oh Lord, let me just try it. And I love it so much. It is resilient. It washes so clean. I love the purple. And as you can tell, I've been using it. So I got this from Annabelle here as well. Alright, so I am going to show you, which one I pulled already? Let me show you the, yeah, I pulled this one already. So I'm going to show you guys the bundles. And let me just say, I truly love how this hair is their Brazilian kinky. Yeah, Brazilian kinky curly, and it's in the natural color. Now what I must say is that I love that the curls goes all the way to the bottom. You see that? It goes all the way to the bottom. It's curled from root to tip. I know with some curly hairs it starts off straight, then it gets curly. This goes curly from root to tip. I am running I can't wait to put this in my hair when I go fun in the sun. This is the hair that I've been wearing for fun in the sun. You guys should really be fun in the sun. It's like a gospel concert, a really big one. It's absolutely free. So if you're in Jamaica around that time, trust and believe you will be seeing a girl in this hair. This is what I'll be putting in. This is a 22 inch. And I'm going to be I'm falling off because my chair is missing. It's missing a wheel. I'm going to show you guys every single one, which I don't want to do, but I'm going to do it just for the sake of this video. This is the 20 inch. And you know, this is like throwback to old school YouTube. Remember when we used to get the hair? I used to show you guys, okay guys, I'm doing an unboxing. If you're new to YouTube, I have no idea what I'm talking about. But anyway, so yeah, so this is the 20 inch. Yes, the 20 inch, yes. Nice. Nice, nice. See that bounce back? Guys, this is my second time, I believe, from memory, trying any hair from AliExpress, and the bundles feel so full and nice. And again, the curl goes all the way to the tip. So that's one more of the 20 inches. I'm going to have to put these back up into because they have a little bag on it. I'm going to show like a little hair net on it. I'm going to show you. So there's a hair net on it, keeping it together. So I'm going to take it out. This is a hair net. You can see this is a hair net here. So I'm taking it out of the hair net, and again the curl is from this seems longer than a 22. The hair goes curly from root to tip. It's the natural color. I like how the wefts look. This is nice. I'm so excited. Let me run my finger through again. Oh, my ring getting caught in it. This is nice. This is nice. This is nice. This is nice. Alright, so let me show the one more. This is the other 20. Jonathan, no. This is the other 20 inch. Alright, so this is it again. Yes. Ma'am, yes, I love it. Now what I do realize is that with the 22 inches you can see through it. Jonathan, did you say see that? The 22 inches you can see through it, and the 20 inches not so much. So the 20 inches is a little bit fuller than the 22, which is expected because the longer you go in length, the less hair that's on the weft. So keep that in mind. The longer you go for your hair, the less hair it is on the wefts, right? But this is curly hair, so you know that when I finger comb this bubble, that this is going to get big and big and big. That's what I'm most excited about, some big curly hair, and I'm falling for it. Some big curly hair. And this is the 18-inch closure. He hears the sound of bikes and one just passed, so I thought he was going to leap into my arms. Alright, so this is the closure. Wow. Okay, so remember how I tell you that for curly hairs, like there's a bit of straight hair, then it goes curly. The hair is curly from the root, but what it is that there's not enough hair on it. You see that? It's looking really thin for the closure. See that? But I'm guessing that once I finger comb it, let me just run my fingers through it. Once I finger comb it or comb it out with like a wide teeth or wide tooth comb, it would be better. Okay, so I'm finger combing it and I'm getting some strands. Okay, so the closure is shedding. Alright, closure is shedding. The closure is shedding, you guys. The closure is shedding. Alright, so when I get hair, I expect it to shed initially. That's what I expect because it just got made. So it's like whenever I like new clothes or new shoes, I have to kind of wear them in before they're perfect. So I'm expecting it to shed. I'm expecting the bundles to shed, especially when I put it on and all of that. But let me see how it acts in a couple of weeks after having it. So this is what the closure looks like, and as I say, it's curly hair, so it will automatically get bigger. So it's not looking like much right now at all, to be honest with you. And you can actually see through the closure, you can see through the hair, you know. Alright, so that's basically it. This is just an initial video, just showing you guys what I got from them, letting you guys know that this is, when you see this curly hair, this is the curly hair that I'm wearing. Yeah, so that's basically it. I don't have much else to say. I'm putting them back up into the little back thingies because I like how it keeps them. So that's basically it, you guys. Don't have much to say. Thank you to Annabelle here for sending me this hair to review. Yeah, I can't wait to put this hair in. Bruh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I can't wait. I'm going to have it sewn in. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm excited. Alright, so that's it. I won't ramble any longer, and I'll talk to you in the next video.